Oh, hi. Sorry, this is awkward because I'm like holding the thing on the back of the phone, but welcome to the vlog. I'm in my backyard. It's Tuesday morning. Bowie, come on, let's go for a walk. All right, so I just wanted to give you a little update here. The peaches are peaching. You can see the dead flower here. So like, where am I? There we go. You don't have to do that, but I'm trying to show you, like, there's the future peach. So the flower is the peach. The flower dies and the peach starts growing underneath where the flower was. Nature does that. I was just helping it a little bit. Strawberries doing good. Everywhere you see a white flower is a potential strawberry. Let's see, can we see any that are already strawberrying? I'm not sure, but these things spread like wildfire. They really, they're very prolific. And you could see all of the asparagus coming up. This is the second crop. Maddie had already trimmed them all down, and now there's got to be like 20 there. Oh, and the pears are coming along so nicely. You could see that they've really grown a lot. Amazing. They're already as big as like an olive size. Some of them are a little bit smaller. Let's see what get out of that corner. Come on. Let's see what the apples are doing. The apples are ready later in the season, so they're not quite as far along. They're just still the size of like a caper. But the duck is in her nest. Let me see if I can walk around the other side over here. Oh, careful, don't fall in the hole. I don't know why that's a hole. I think it might be because it's like an underground spring or something. Let's see if I can zoom in on the duck. I don't know how good this is gonna show it, but I will insert a picture that Mark took. No, my camera can't zoom in enough. Sorry, I turned the camera off, but she's right over, let's see if I could, right here in this nesting area over here. She's camouflaged. She's the same color as the leaves, so you can't really see her, but I will insert a picture that Mark took. You could see her better in that one. All right, Bowie, let's go in. All right, we'll be back. Also, the irises are irising. You can see a big bee there doing his job, or her job. And what are these called? Grapes are graping. Couldn't think for a minute. What the hell is wrong with me? Look at all of those grapes. Future grapes. I'm gonna have a lot this year, I think. They're all really coming out. I meant to tell you also, Maddie saw her first snake in the garden, to which she had a major freak out. I mean, it was just a tiny one, and it's just a garden snake, so like, it's not gonna hurt her, but she just doesn't like the whole idea of that. But the plants have really taken, and they're doing great so far. Let's hope they continue. Oh, hi.
Hello.
We're back from the store. What a miserable day today was. So, why do I feel like we've been to a million places today? But we really haven't. Anyway, we went... Oh, I was wondering why there wasn't something here, but there's Kristen's bag's over there. Alright, so I did a little shopping for Kristen too, but I'm not going to show you that. We went to Sam's Club, which I don't know what the hell happened at Sam's Club. I feel like they got hacked or something, because we tried to use the app to ring up our stuff, and it's like, okay, it works, except for these like 5 items. You have to go to a register if you want to buy them. And then we went to a register, and we had to have somebody come in and key them in like separately. The line for that place was like miles long just to get to a register. I don't know what happened. I guess something happened with their files. Maybe they got corrupt or something. I don't know, but it took forever. So we had a roadblock there, but this is what we got at Sam's. We got some good stuff. I got another bag of the broccolini because I absolutely love it. I got some garden salad mix. When did they start carrying the Mary's Gone crackers? I love that. And these are the organic ones too. Very good price. This is like a double box. And it was like 7 and change. That's really, really good. Because they usually like $5 a box at least. I got another one of my favorite camp shirts in a size smaller because I'm losing weight. So I want to give myself a little bit of an incentive, and it was marked down to $9, and I really love that shirt because it's very cool. It's very loose and cozy. Love it. Has anybody tried these Dragon's Eye longans? What the heck? I never heard of these, but they look so crazy. I just wanted to try them. We looked it up online and it said that they are like lychee nuts or lychees fruit. I love lychee. So I hope I like these because they were like 6 and change. So that's a lot to splash out if you don't think you're going to like it, but I thought I would like it. Then after Sam's Club, Maddie got a case of bubbly and I got a case of the vitamin water because that was also on sale for like $11. That's crazy. So good. After Sam's Club, we ran over to Target, and by then it started raining heavier. Bad. The usual suspects here. I got the cheese for pizza night tomorrow. I got some Ripple unsweetened milk. I guess this is pea protein based. I got some mouthwash. They didn't have my regular Tom's, so I had to get this one. We got Bowie cookies! Yay! Because he loves to have his little cookie so he doesn't bite us at the front door.
Oh.
Yes! So we got those, and I got some of these late July organic taco chips, tortilla chips. I guess they're not taco chips. And I got a beautiful new brush for cleaning bottles because these get gross like really easy, which is such a shame. Does anybody have any solution for not having gross ass brushes in the sink? If you do, I'd really appreciate it. Then after Target, somebody's a big girl now.
Sean and I bought a couch.
Yes. How wonderful.
Our futon broke last night.
I mean, it was over 25 years old.
That will happen.
Yeah.
I was heating up my dinner. I heard a crack when Sean went to sit down, and then I turned around and his butt was on the ground. So that futon is unfortunately donezo.
It's herstory.
But yeah, we went to
Bob's
Discount Furniture today, and I gotta say I really liked it.
Yeah.
Liked the customer service experience.
It was good.
I liked the layout of the store.
I just regret not getting a Bob doll.
The plushie.
Yeah, for Sean, because he always dances to that commercial.
I know.
He would have really loved it.
Yeah, well, we know where they are. We can always go and get one. But yeah, I'm really excited about what we picked out.
I think you're going to be very happy with that.
Maybe we can put in the picture.
Yeah.
I took a picture.
Yeah, so I'll put in the picture here. You could see that it's a 3-person sofa.
Got recliners in the 2 end spots.
Right.
And then the middle part, the top folds down, and you can have like a little console area.
Yeah.
So
I think you're going to be happy with that because the problem that you had before was not enough space to put your feet up.
It'd be nice to like lay down and watch something.
Yeah.
Sure. So.
Well, then you'll fall asleep for sure.
No.
You'll suffer just like me.
But I ended up getting the manual recliners instead of the electric because I was just worried the electric was hot.
Oh, it was smooth.
It was smooth. It was like the movie theater seats.
Exactly. But as you know well from the movie theaters, those break.
They break. So I didn't want to have to deal with that. So I just got the manual one, which
it was also $200 cheaper.
Yeah, we'll still be very happy with it.
I think so too.
I'm excited.
Congratulations, you're adulting.
Thank you.
All right, so then after, and it was pretty quick too.
Very quick.
That was good because I hate hanging around in stores for nothing.
Yeah.
All right, so, and it was empty in there, so I mean, we didn't have to wait.
Yeah, the guy who helped us was great.
Yeah, the guy who helped us was great. Then after that, we ran into Michael's where, my God, she was probably happier with the free bag that they gave us than she was with getting a sofa.
I was happy with both. I'm excited about the sofa. I'm like,
look at
really
this
excited.
bag.
It's hot.
It's like a nylon bag, and we got it for free because we're members.
I'm assuming that's why it is.
I thought I saw something in the email, like if you're a member and you spend like a certain amount,
you get a bag.
you get a bag.
We'll have to keep that in mind.
We spend thousands of dollars at Michael's. We better get a damn bag.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, it's for a job, of course.
Yeah.
So then we'll talk about that in the crochet video. But after Michael's, we ran over to Aldi. And we got a lot of the usual suspects, but we got some fun stuff too. Sean got some Chex Mix, garlic. We got a lot of frozen veg here. We had these last week and they were so good. We had to go get more. The carrot and sweet potato roasted, delicious. I also, oh, I just dropped my cheese on the floor. Oh no! The pyramid is failing. I also got some Mediterranean roast vegetables. Excited for that. Got some Norwegian crisp bread. I love cardboard crackers. What can I say?
She does.
Love them. Got some scallions. Got some white mushrooms. More of my favorite taco filling, which I also started putting in my peanut noodles. So this is a nice, easy fix for the peanut noodle. So instead of tofu or like if you were to do like a just Jan noodle, you can use the taco filling. It's just as good. Got lots of tofu. Maddie and I both got some seasoning, the salt, pepper, garlic grill seasoning because it's so good. I snuck that in. You got your husband some pita chips.
Yes.
And I got this super cute little picnic basket. Yogi Bear, you better stay away. This one's all for me, baby. I guess that like folds out and it zips. It's like a little picnic basket.
That's cute.
I think, yeah, this folds out. I can put my yarn in there and carry it from room to room.
I mean, you could. Is that why you bought it?
No,
okay.
I mainly bought it too for like when I'm bringing stuff downstairs to put on the shelves down there or bring stuff up or...
I mean, you could put ice packs in here
Yeah,
if
you
you
could
were
put
going to
ice
actually
packs.
do like a picnic type thing.
Yeah. Even going to the store, that's just another little, you know, cold bag
I like
or
the
hot
handles
bag.
on this.
Yeah, the handles are very nice.
Nice.
Could even bring that to market.
The print is really cute too.
I know.
Yeah, you can put our food in here.
I was gonna get the like Palm Beach type one, but then I said, you know what? I'm gonna step outside my comfort zone and get a pink, yellow, and orange and green one.
Do it up.
Why not? So that's everything. Throw it on the pile. That's everything that I got. We're gonna talk about the other stuff in the crochet video.
Yes.
And now I must get this put away for 2 seconds, and then I gotta go pick up Sean. Hopefully he's not still coughing and
Hope not.
going
Shawnee.
like this. I hate that.
Yeah.
But he hates it even more, so there's that. Hi.
Hello.
It's Thursday.
It
You know what
is.
that means. We gotta close this bad boy out.
Yeah, we got a live stream tonight.
I feel like I didn't film that much, but that's the way the mop flops, as my mom would say.
It is.
It's a market prep week, so like we're busy market prepping.
Hopefully it's going to be okay weather. I don't know. Hi, Bubby.
Bubby said, I heard thunderstorms.
Hi, Bubby. Aw.
Thunderstorms.
Baby.
He said, I don't like it.
No, nobody likes that.
No.
Well, some people like it, but we don't like it for outdoor events.
No, we don't like it when we're standing under a
When we're
metal
supposed
tent.
to be outside.
Yeah. I don't mind it so much in the house, but when I'm standing under a metal tent, I don't like it too much.
Yeah, so we're hoping that's going to change.
Yeah.
We'll see what happens.
We're getting stuff done, kind of.
Mm-hmm.
I have my Aristocat shirt on, so I feel like I can do anything right now.
That's right.
I see you're making a beautiful Varg pastel I know.
Yes, I am. I love it.
Well, we
Love
won't
this
talk.
yarn.
We won't speak of it because
No,
that's
it's
for
for
the
the
crochet
crochet video.
video.
I gotta get in the shower in a
There's a
minute.
mountain of yarn, of course, as usual. Not as much as there was before Mother's Day because I put most of it away. It just sort of builds up, you know.
Yeah.
And then it's like, oh, I might need that color again. I don't want to put it away
Let me leave this here.
because I don't want to get up and break my momentum. I don't know what happened to me. No, I'm not. Either I'm getting Sean's sore throat, which I don't think I am.
Yeah.
I think
it's possible.
I think what happened was when we were eating dinner last night, I went to say something when I was swallowing, and it went down the wrong pipe.
Yeah.
And it kind of
Got all
burned because
irritated.
it was hot. Spicy, I mean.
Yeah.
It's spicy. A spicy meatball. So I think that's what happened, and now it's irritated because I was trying to cough it up because it was very liquidy, and it went down in there.
Yeah, it could just be irritated from that.
It's irritated, and I hope it doesn't cause an infection because I don't want to have laryngitis.
I hope not.
I know, that would be a real bummer.
Yeah.
I mean, you need to hear me talk. I gotta keep drinking carbonated stuff
liquids.
so that it, like, you know, like coats it
Yeah.
and bubbles it off.
Do what you gotta do.
Alright, well, there's no birthday shout-outs today for the weekend.
You can still celebrate for funsies.
Happy birthday, everybody! Hope you're living your best day, week, month, year, lifetime of birthday happiness.
Yes, we finally have a Big Brother premiere day. July 10th. That's crazy.
I know.
I think that's a good date for it to start. I feel good about it.
I feel good about it, too. It's not going to ruin our 4th of July.
But it's not too late in the summer.
Right.
That we're going to be going into, like, October.
Did they say when the finale was?
I'm going to assume it's the end of September, but we'll see what happens.
Like the 3rd week of September?
Maybe.
Yeah.
Even the 4th week. I don't know.
No, shut up.
I'm just
We
saying.
have too much to do.
It'd be nice if it ended before October.
We have far too much to do, daughter.
We do have a lot to do.
Alright, well now we have to make things like crazy to get stocked up before Big Brother starts.
Yes. It's good that we have that date so we know for sure what we're doing.
Isn't it funny that both you and your sister wore the Strawberry Festival t-shirts today?
When she walked in today, I was like, oh.
Did you guys call each other?
Yeah, but I'm about to shower
That's a great
and
shirt,
change into
though.
something else. It is a great shirt.
It's the best.
I feel like I might be tempted to get the strawberry shirt again.
Well, we have to see what design.
Well, yeah,
if they
it
have the
depends on
same
design.
design, we're not getting it
No,
again.
but I think they change it every year.
Oh, do they?
But we also have the UFO fair the day before, and I'm curious if they have a shirt for that because
I think they do.
I might need that.
We've never gotten the alien shirt.
Well, we've only gone once,
True.
so we'll have
So
to
we've
see.
never gotten it.
Yeah, I'm curious if they have like an official shirt for the event.
I'm pretty sure they do. I think you can buy it online. So even if you wanted to buy it before and
Yeah, we'll
wear
see.
it for the event, are you going to dress up?
We didn't last year. Last year was really, really hot.
It was really hot.
So we'll have to see what the weather's going to be like this year.
Yeah.
I just don't know if I have anything like cool for that, like alien themed.
Yeah.
We'll see. We'll see when it gets
wear
closer.
Your David Bowie shirt because
That's fun.
everybody accused him of being an alien when he was in that the red-haired look there.
Yeah.
I don't remember what it, Ziggy Stardust.
That's a possibility.
Yeah.
We'll see.
All right. Well, I guess that's it because I got to get this edited so I can put the wrong video up before the stream
No!
tonight.
Don't do that.
Sorry, sometimes I can't see the little numbers.
Yeah, it's hard to see.
Yeah.
But anyway.
Hopefully it won't be the wrong one.
Yeah. Thank you everyone so much for watching. Let us know if it is the wrong video.
Yeah, please.
And you wouldn't see this until
Yeah.
it's too late. But
Exactly.
thanks again for watching. We hope you have a wonderful weekend. We will have a crochet video tomorrow, so we hope you'll join us for that. We've got the live stream tonight. So
Oh boy, I love
busy,
that.
busy, busy. And we'll see you soon. So until next time, much love.